My name is Amit Tawade. I am a country manager for JHC Technology. We are the industrial PC manufacturing company. We have the devices like edge computers, AI computers with the GPUs, and also we have a panel computers and a monitors. Recently we launched this kind of Nano Jetson PCs. These PCs with the Nano Jetson processor, AGX, NX, all the series of Nano Jetson we are having. So these PCs are very much useful for the AI application. Such kind of many products we are having in our basket, and we have a lot of customer base for the AI and the smart transportation, then the smart factory 4.0, and also for the smart cloud systems. So all our devices will be a media between your data and your application. So that's the engine which collaborate all the algorithm together. So we have a lot of range of the products which we displayed in this booth. Especially this, we as an NVIDIA partner, we have displayed this. We also have a solution in the x86 platform of Intel that also we displayed here. So it was a good experience to exhibit the products in this Automation Expo. Lot of visitors who are our customers, and even the new startup companies and well-known companies who have not interaction with us, everybody has get together in this exhibition, and we have displayed a lot of our product features to these people, and we are getting a good response from this show. So thanks for the exhibitors, thanks for the automation show. And also we have some products like collaborated with the company called Codisys. They are the company who give the software solution. So we collaborated Codisys along with our partner RN Embedded Solutions and JSC Technology, and provided the factory automation solutions. So these are all the products we are displayed here, and we are happy with the experience of this expo. Thank you.
Thank you very much.